Hi, Speak Up Project Manager Sam Schroeder here with a quick video going over some tips for utilizing and displaying your Speak Up data in Excel. In your Speak Up admin portal, you have your current data reports tab, which is where you can navigate to see all of your data. You will see here there's a download Excel summary report option. When you click on that, you can select the survey of data that you want to download. Your download will look something like this. Now, not exactly visually appealing in the Excel format, so I just wanted to share with you a couple of ways that you can turn this Excel file into something a little more visually appealing. So first of all, one thing you will note, these little green triangles in the top left-hand corner of each cell mean that when you download your data, your number is stored as text and not a number. So just a quick way to alleviate that, select all of those cells, scroll back up, find that error box, click convert to number, and it will convert everything that you see here to a number, which will help you with the next part of what I'm going to show you. So you can insert charts into your Excel, and then you can actually export them into Word documents or any format. But a couple different ways you can do it. You select the data you want. If you wanted to display column C is your total number of responses, column D is your percentage, and column E would be the comparative national percentage. You can select your data, click on a chart that you would like. It inserts that chart for you, no problem. You can edit the chart title, so you can say student grade level. And this will display as the total number of responses. Now, if you would like to do the percentage, you can select your labels, select the percentages, click Control as you're doing that to select all of it, go back to Insert, and now you have a chart that shows the grade level percentages. Now, say you'd like to have a chart that compares your district's percentages to those national percentages. All you do is come over here, drag that box over, and your chart will now display the comparative national percentages. There are multiple different options for charts. You can do line graphs, pie charts, scatter plots, combo charts. Haven't utilized those too much, but that might be interesting. Bar charts. So that's one way that you can easily utilize this Excel data in a more visually appealing way. And then you can take these charts, copy and paste them into a Word document and turn it into a PDF, put it into a PowerPoint for presentations, anything like that. And that's a quick, easy way to utilize your data and share with your stakeholders. Thanks.